Hello my colleagues, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to invest in the US stock market from Nigeria from the comfort of your home and make money. The good thing is that even if you have a small investment capital of 10,000 naira or even 5,000 naira, you can get started in buying stocks of companies in the United States from the comfort of your home right here in Nigeria. By the way, if you are interested in personal finance and investing videos, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if possible, join my business and investing community. All these are free of charge. And let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Now, the stock we are going to be buying would be the stocks of Tesla, Microsoft, and Facebook, which is now Meta, and we will be investing 5,000 naira into these companies, meaning our investment budget should be around 15 to 20,000 naira. Right now, we know the companies we are going to be investing in, and we also have an idea of our investment capital, which is around 15,000 naira. The next step for us is to find an application that would enable us to make this investment. There are only two applications I would recommend when it comes to investing in the US stock market from Nigeria. The first one is the Bamboo application, and the second one is Yocha. For this video, we are going to be using the Bamboo application. I will be making another video on the long run on how to use Yocha to invest in the US stock market from Nigeria. So you want to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when that video drops. By the way, if by the time you're watching this video, the video on Yocha has been dropped, you can click on the card above to go watch that. Now that we have figured out the app we want to use to invest in the US stock market from Nigeria, the next step we need to take is to download the Bamboo app. I'll leave a link in the comment section, and it's actually going to contain my referral link and referral code. I would really be very thankful if you use that to download the app, and you actually be awarded free shares if you use the link on my referral code. Now, once you have downloaded the app, the next step you want to take is to install the application and then sign up or sign in. If it's your first time, you want to sign up. If it's not your first time, you want to sign in. But if you're signing up, it's worth noting that you need to do your KYC by uploading a picture of your NIN, your BVN, and your NEPA bill, which should not be older than 3 months. I'm referring to your NEPA bill. Once you have all this done, we will then need to fund our Bamboo account. Well, to fund our Bamboo account, you quickly go to the place that says NGN wallet. We click on it. Then we click on the place that says deposit. Then you put in the 15,000 naira we want to deposit into our Bamboo account. So you put in 15,000 naira. Then we click on the deposit button below. Then we want to make use of direct bank transfer because the debit method is actually quite expensive. Their charge is 210 naira, while for bank transfer their charge is 100 naira. So we click on it. Then we copy the account number, and then once we copy the account number, we head over to our bank app and then paste it there. Then select the bank. You can see the bank name is Sterling Bank. So when you select your bank, the account name you're supposed to see is Monify/Bamboo. So once you have funded your account using the bank transfer method, you quickly come back to the Bamboo application. Then just refresh the page, and you can see that the money would actually reflect. Before we had like $1, now we have $40.55, meaning that the money that we funded has reflected. If you scroll down too, you can see that we have 14,900 naira there. We funded our account with 15,000 naira. The processing fee plus other fees made it now come down to 14,900. So the next step we want to take is now to proceed in buying Microsoft or Tesla and Meta shares. So you quickly go to the place that says invest, click on it. You can search for Microsoft. Just search for Microsoft. As you can see, Microsoft is selling for 406 naira per share. $406 per share. So we click on Microsoft, and then the market is actually closed right now. But that should not stop us from actually buying, because once the stock market over there in the United States open, our order will be successfully fulfilled. So we can take a look at the graph to see the 1 month high, 1 month low, the 1 week high, and all that stuff. So what you want to do is now click on that little button that says buy below your screen. So you click on the buy button, and then you can buy every month, you can buy now, you can buy limit order. When the price goes down, which is the limit order, below the current price, you can decide to buy. You can buy with stop order. When the price goes above the current price, you can decide to follow the bull run and buy. So when it goes higher, you can purchase. So we click on the place that says buy now. Then we put in the amount of shares in dollar equivalent you want to purchase. So let's say 5,000 naira. $5 worth of shares is 8,000 naira. So we want to buy 5,000 naira worth of shares. Let's just put in 2. 2 is 3,000 naira. So put in 3. So $3 worth of shares is equal to 4,935 naira. So we click on review order, and then we click on our NGN wallet, which is where our money is, our naira money is. We click on it, and then we click on place order, and then it tells us that the market is closed, but do we want to still proceed? We say yes, we want to still proceed, and click on yes. So as you can see, our order has just been placed. You can now click on the OK thanks, or if you want to view the order details, you can click on the view order details. But remember, we still have Tesla and Facebook shares to purchase, so we click on OK thanks, and then you select not now, and then we want to go back to buy Facebook. So we go back to that place and search for Meta, which is the new name of Facebook. We have seen Meta. We click on Meta platforms. Click on it. So Meta is currently selling for $484 per share, which is equivalent to 796,000 naira for one share of Meta. But we are actually investing just 5,000 naira, which is to buy fractional shares. So we click on the one that says buy. Then you click on buy now as usual. You put in $3. $3 is 4,935 naira. So we click on $3 worth of shares, and then we click on review order as usual, and then click on the NGN wallet, which is where we funded our 15,000 naira with. Click on NGN wallet, and then click on the place order. Now we have successfully purchased Meta shares. Then we go back to buy Tesla. We quickly go to that search bar again, search for Tesla. So it shows us Tesla. Tesla is currently selling for $200 per share. We click on the buy now button. Then we click on buy now. Then put in $3, which is around 4,935 naira. Then we click on review order. Now there's something I want to let you guys know, something important. So if you go through this review order, you can see that the order type we are using is market buy. The number of shares you are buying is 0.009978 shares of Tesla, which is not even equal to one share. So that's why I say that we're investing in fractional shares, of Tesla. And then the price per share, like you can see here, is $200.45. Sorry, and then the estimated amount is $2, and then the estimated commission is $1. So we are trying to invest $3, right? But what you are actually investing here is $2, and then the $1 they are collecting it as their commission for helping us to purchase these shares, which is quite high. So instead of the actual $3 you are investing, you are actually investing only $2. So it's very, very important that you take note of this. But what can we do? We don't have any other way to purchase Tesla, so let's just accept the $1 they are charging us for $2. It's quite high, but let's just proceed. So we click on the place order, and then click on the yes button. So we have successfully just placed a buy order for Tesla shares. So we now click on the OK thanks button. Now once the stock market over there in the United States open, which is going to be around 3 p.m. It's currently 12 p.m. right now to 1. So once the stock market over there opens, all our orders will be successfully executed. Now this is how to invest in the US stock market from Nigeria using the Bamboo application. Now how do you make money? You make money when the price of Tesla, Microsoft, and and Facebook appreciate in value. Another good way to make money from these shares you purchased is when they pay you dividends. I heard that recently Meta, which is Facebook, paid dividends to their shareholders. So that's actually a good way to earn passive income by just investing in these companies. So like I said, you have two major ways of making money from these shares. The two major ways are when the price of these shares appreciates in value, your money will also rise in value. So for example, Tesla shares, when Tesla is currently selling at $200 per share, if it appreciates to like $400, it means that the $2 you invested will now become around $4. So your money has increased in value. And then when they pay dividend as well, you as an investor in Tesla right here in Nigeria will also earn dividends. And the good thing is that you're earning in US dollars, so you're hedging yourself against the devaluation that is currently happening in Nigeria. So this is a very, very good way to invest your money and make your money work for you. If you found this video helpful or insightful, I have another video where I share with you 7 top banking stocks to buy right now in Nigeria for profit. Do well to go watch that videos, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join my business and investing community. It's totally free of charge, and see you on the next one. Ndewo.